What is going on, you guys? Larry Star 1999 on YouTube. Sorry I didn't film yesterday. I was not feeling good at all. I had a massive migraine. So it's my apologies, but it's like, again, that's what happens when you get a migraine. So I took a day off. So here I am tonight. Or say a Monday night. Can't believe it's already February. But we're almost done with winter. Which means here comes the wet season. Which means everyone's basements will start flooding. My gosh, how much coal I'm rolling. Come on. Figured the Dodge tow truck could pull this, but it's just not pleased. We're gonna get another load of rocks for tonight, and we're gonna go from there. But yeah, I had a massive migraine, what happened, and so I took a day off, and that's kind of what I did. And other than that, I figured I'd get a load of rocks in. It's going to take a while. Especially we're only at 91 rocks. I gotta use low range. But we're gonna really struggle at pulling this. I can say I'm rolling coal, that's for sure. A lot of coal. Give me more coal. Give me more coal. Look at all that coal we're rolling. We're rolling a lot of coal. Might as well say it sounds like a two-stroke diesel. They did have those back in the day, but they don't seem to. They seem to outlaw everything you can own now these days. But we're not gonna get politics involved. This is what it is. It's not a politics channel. Well, here we go. No! I'm giving her all she's got. We're rolling coal. Let's roll that coal. Roll that coal, roll that coal, rolling coal, coal, coal. My gosh, I almost sound like a Christmas song. Oh my gosh, we're really struggling. And that's kind of why we need dump trucks in this game. But do we have dump trucks? No. They think, oh, rock trailer's good. That holds 36 rocks. which handling on it, it's like questionable. Well, I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode, but like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.